Hi, hello, welcome to Anandi's Cuisine. Today's recipe, eggless mango cake, is so soft and fluffy, and the added mangoes make this cake so moist and super tasty that no icing is needed. I just adore this cake on its own. To start this recipe, we first need 1 to 2 mangoes as long as we get 1 cup of mango puree. I have used room temperature Alfonso mangoes. When making a puree, do not add at all any water or milk. Then transfer the 1 cup room temperature mango puree into a big bowl and add 1/4 cup sunflower or vegetable oil. Whisk well for 1 minute. Next, add half cup caster sugar and once again whisk until all of the sugar has blended well. After that, add half teaspoon vanilla extract and mix. Place a sieve on top and add 1 cup plain flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Sieve well all of the dry ingredients. Mix in a cut and fold method. Once well combined and lump free, instead of milk, add 2 tablespoons milk powder. Add my secret ingredient to make this cake caramelized and rich in taste. Do try this trick and see the difference it makes by adding it. Once again, mix in a cut and fold method. Just before baking, at the end, add half tablespoon apple cider vinegar. If this is not available, then substitute it with 1 teaspoon white vinegar. But I will recommend using apple cider vinegar. Do not overmix the batter, as this will make the cake dense, chewy and rubbery in taste. For a fluffier cake, use a 6-inch cake tin. For a flatter cake, use a 7-inch cake tin. Line with parchment paper and oil or butter all sides. Gently add the cake batter. Shake a little. Finally, tap 10 times to prevent big air bubbles and to level the cake batter. At the end, garnish on top with some chopped pista and almond. In a casserole, add 1 cup salt and any stand or plate. Cover and preheat for 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, gently place the cake tin inside. Cover and bake first on medium heat for 3 minutes and then bake for 27 to 37 minutes on medium-low heat. So in total, we are baking 30 to 40 minutes. Remove the cake from the tin once it has cooled down completely. If using an oven, preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Then bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. You can see the cake has risen and baked evenly from all sides and just looks so yummy. Our eggless mango cake is ready to be served. This cake has become a favorite in my family. Big and small, all of the family members love it so much. This cake is so simple to make, but you just cannot stop eating after the first bite. Please try this recipe once. If you liked my recipe, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.